Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you all can see the little glow what's going on in a very natural light, this is just because of the tan removal bleach. Guys, let me correct you all. It is not a bleach which actually colors your facial hair, but this is a very natural tan remover cream which is with milk and honey, and it is so good. Firstly, I'm just cleaning my skin with this Himalaya face wash, and if you follow me from long time, you all know that I love this face wash so much. Guys, this face wash is so good. It is the oldest but the goldest, and the results are amazing as it also removes the makeup. It is so good for the acne. It dries and heals your acne, and it deeply cleanses your face. Guys, if you're using this face wash, use it religiously for 2 times a day. I mean, twice a day, in the morning and in the night, and you will see a good result in a month's time. And now, after massaging it for about good 60 seconds, I have washed my face, and I simply love the change what this face wash gives to my skin. I can already feel so clean, my skin is feeling so radiant. But no, I need to talk about this cream. Guys, this is an remedy for the tan removal. It is with milk and honey. It is a lacto bleach, and you just have to apply it a normal layer on the skin, and just like a face mask. Don't worry, it's not like a bleach that will just color your hair, or it changes the facial hair color. It is just gonna work on the skin to remove the tan. Guys, it claims all good things. It is so good that it also removes and reduces your pigmentation, and it is from the brand Nature's, which is Nature's Essence. And you just have to apply a layer, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and just before washing it you have to wet your hands and massage it for another 5 minutes, and you just have to wash it. You all can see a very good difference just from the first use. Guys, just removing the tan on the skin itself evens your skin so much. You all can see the difference in the last, so keep watching. Guys, I noticed one more thing, that if you have pigmented lips or dark lips, you can also use this bleach on your lips. It's gonna give you a good result. You just have to wait for 15 minutes and you will definitely see a good change. And guys, the best part is you can use this cream on everyday basis just to restore your natural fairness and glow on the skin. And here I'm applying a little bit on my eyelid too, because you all can see there is a little bit of tanning going around, and I thought जब कर रहे हो तो पूरा ही कर लेते हैं. Let's see the difference. And I know that it is very natural. It's not gonna harm my skin. So it's fine. Guys, here I'm just showing you all that it's written that you just have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be back. Here you all can see it's almost dried. I think yes, it is already dried. And now I'll just add a little bit of water and give a good massage for just 5 minutes. Very light-handedly you have to massage. See, here you all can see I'm even rubbing it on my eyebrows. The cream is on my eyebrow and my eyelid. So don't worry, this is not a bleach which will change the hair color or something. It is just like a face mask which is so good for removing the tan. Guys, not bad at all. I mean, I had so much of tanning around my jawline, and there is good change. Not bad at all. And usually, we get tanned around this forehead, these sides of the forehead and all, no? But see this, wow, it's removed the tan, and I'm really shocked for the result, what it is giving in just one use. Not bad, not bad. So, guys, I can recommend you all this product. Please do try if you've been to any of the holiday and you're gone tan, or just like that, if your skin feels a bit dull, you all can try this face pack. And guys, today's video is in a natural light, but now I have just on the ring light to show you all the difference, so that you all can actually see it in the light. There is no unevenness going around. Everything looks so much even. And yes, I have few acne spots which will reduce very slowly, because I know that is how it works. And now I've just washed my face again with the water, with a cold water, and not bad. I really like how my skin is feeling right now. Guys, I've always told that I only recommend the products which I am satisfied with and which gives you a really good result. So don't worry, I'm not gonna waste your money. Please do try once. And now here I've used General Astringent from the brand Ayur. This is so good. It calms and cools your skin. And right now the weather is a bit hot, so I love to use this instead of toner. And now to moisturize my skin, I'm using this vitamin C serum. This is so good. Again, I highly recommend this serum. It is available on Amazon, and it is enriched with vitamin C, which is so good to even your skin and also reduce the acne marks. I'm just gonna apply it and leave it to dry. And now to hydrate my lips, I'm using this Maybelline Baby Lips. And guys, if you like the way I make the videos, please do share, subscribe and like. Also do comment, because comment motivate me. And that's it, guys. Love you all so much.